guys know, if you take a DNA ball or a ball, they might stick to the wall there. Let's try it out. What they do. This DNA ball, I'll try it out. I'm just gonna tell you. This it works. So let's see. First, I'm gonna try out DNA ball. No, I'm gonna try this first. This. Okay. So you have to shop and not in the shop. You have to in the shop. Up first. As you can notice, there's no power. Because it's raining. I hate the rain. Okay. If that sticks there, then let's take it forward. This stayed there on the wall for 1 second. Let's try this one yet. A DNA ball. I love the DNA ball. Okay. 3, 2, 1. Oh! Let's do one more time. Oh. One more time. Yep, for sure, it works. By the way, let's see some good guys. Let's do it again. Let's try both of them at one time. They should pick up. They stick together. Sorry. No, we're going to do it this way. This way. Both of them are separated. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Look at her.